What's going on, you guys? As you can see, I got two pairs of Jordan 3 cool grays, and you already know I hit up the sneakers app and I got some exclusives. So we're going to talk a little bit about the exclusive access in the sneakers app, and then I'm going to show you guys what I got here, and it is the cool gray Jordan 3s. Okay, so I got a text message the evening before. It was actually around 4:30 p.m. and it was on the 10th of February, and these are scheduled to release the 20th of February. Okay, so 10-day notice, and they said team early, you know, check back at 9 a.m. I'm on the West Coast in San Diego, so it's 9 a.m. over here. And it is, I'm sorry, it is, 9 a.m. So it is 9 a.m. over here when they do the exclusives. When they release sneakers, it's at 7 o'clock in the morning, but when they do exclusives, it's at 9 a.m. in the morning. So I've only gotten exclusives twice, so I'll talk a little bit about it. And okay, so the night before, they said team early, text message, they said, oh, got the cool gray Jordan 3s, and I was like, sick. So the next morning, I was already ready to rock and roll. So when 9 o'clock hit, I went on the sneakers app, and I went straight for the adult size 12. So I got the size 12, and a lot of people don't know, I didn't know the first time around, when I got my exclusive for I got the Jordan 1 High Metallic Golds for my first exclusive. So I didn't know, but they also do the grade school sizing. You also get exclusive for both. If they do the toddlers and if they do the preschools, you actually could get all four of them if you wanted to. Okay, so definitely, you know, keep that in the back of your head just in case you get an exclusive access. You make sure you know, if you want to take advantage of the resale game, you know, you get it early. And then I'm actually going to wait until the 20th of February to try to sell these, because that's when it goes the highest on drop day. Probably that afternoon or into the evening. You know, I could sell them right now for a little bit, but I'd rather try to make a little bit more. Okay, so we can still talk about exclusive access. If anybody has any questions about it, you know, hit me up in the comment box below. We're gonna get into this. So this is the grade school. I did hit them up for a size 7. You guys, so size 7, size 6.5, and size 6, I always go for those in grade schools when it comes to resale, because adults, okay, so adult females could fit them, some guys that have smaller feet could fit them, and also kids. So the market is just greater. You're going for 3 different kinds of people in the market. So that's why I always go for 6, 6.5, and 7. Okay, so this is a size 7. Okay, so the box is a little bit different than the adult size. This one has a black lid. We got the red Jumpman, and then we have that elephant print that the 3s have. Okay, so we do have elephant print also on the sheets. And here it is right here. So this is the grade school size 7. So I don't know how I feel about this new book material right here. So it just looks like, it kind of looks like the elephant. It got the elephant print here, but it actually looks like rough, like the elephant skin right here. And then so I don't know how I feel about that, because it looks like it makes the shoe look older than what it is. But the rest of the sneaker is looking sick, you guys, as you guys can tell. All right, and then like if I was to change one thing about this besides the nubuck, I'd probably just use regular leather. But if there was one more thing, like, okay, so you do have, I believe it's called Sport Red, Rogue Sport. Okay, so we have this red right here, and then we have the orange. I would like it to be all one color. Like, I'd prefer this orange to be red, or this red to be orange, but having all solid one color. And then the same thing back here with the Jumpman. So that is only one thing that I would change out. Are you guys with me on that one, or not so much? You guys let me know in the comment box. So this one, let me show you guys this one, because this one, the new buck on it, like, it just, like, look at it. It's kind of like bent in. These are brand new sneakers. These are from the sneakers app. Never been worn. They smell good. They're dead stock. I just like look at that. Like, I just don't like that right there. But the sneaker itself is so nice. Like, look at, you got the Jordan at the bottom. You got that red again. And these, like, right now, the thing about the market right now is I think a lot of people are like sleeping on these and they kind of like don't know about them yet because the last pair did release in 2007. So some people still have, they're still rocking their old sevens and they don't want to get a new pair. One thing that I did want to mention is I think that the grade school is a little bit lighter than the adult size. So let's open up the adult size and compare the two, right? So this is, like I said, a size 12. So you guys, the box, we have the gray box, and then on this one side, I'd say it's like a quarter of the box that has the elephant print, okay? And it goes all the way around, just like that. All right. So these are size 12. They're gonna look a lot bigger than these 7s. Okay, so we still have the elephant print. And here they go right here. We do have the white laces. Okay, white laces. So yeah, you guys see, like, it kind of looks like it was worn and it was creased right there. I swear, you guys, I did not wear these. That's just how they look right there. That's just the type of the material. So on the inside, it is the white soles, as you guys can see, and then you got the red Jumpman in there. Okay, so it is a slightly different than the 07 pair. So the 07 pair, it doesn't have these all these holes right here, the breathable material. Doesn't have them right here. And I say the 07, this elephant, the cool gray, it's a little bit lighter than the 07 pair is a little bit lighter than this new pair, the 2021 pair. So let's compare it to the grade school. Actually, that looks pretty close. I think the orange is a little bit brighter on the adult size versus the grade school. And I could have swore that the grade school was going to be a little bit lighter gray. But looking at it, it looks like the adult size might be a little bit lighter gray. You guys let me know what you think, but because you know how sometimes the grade schools are like the color's a little bit off, or there's something about it that's not exactly like the adult size. So on this one, I'm going to have to say the coloration of the gray and then the orange is a little bit off. Right, that's the back of them right there. That is the side of them. I mean, you guys could see, look at a closer look. That's too close. All right, that is the side. We got the front, we got the other side, so you guys could check it out. And then, of course, you gotta check out that back right there. Okay, let's get back to the exclusive access, because I bet a lot of people are going to be asking me, you know, how do you get exclusive access? I got it twice. So the thing about exclusive access, I wish I had it more than twice. So one of the things I think is just having a lot of activity on the sneakers app. The more you're messing around with it, like I'm talking about watching those stories, you know, the dunk stories. I don't actually like sit there and watch them. Just let it play. Put your phone down. You know, you're at work doing your work, and just let it do its thing right there. Not only that, you know, you got to like the pictures. You got to share them. Like I share them. I just text my wife, oh, you know, I like this one. I like this one. In this particular one, I did hit the heart on it. So I did like it. So I don't know if that might have been like a way of like getting exclusive access to it. So I'm like, So I'm going to keep hearting stuff. That way we'll see if I keep getting exclusive access. On the first time I got the Jordan 1 metallic gold highs, when I got them, I did not like it yet because I didn't even get to it yet. So I didn't like it, but they did send me exclusive access, and that one they did not notify me the night before. They didn't do that text message that's like, hey, team early, you got something. So they didn't do that. All they did is I was on my phone and I saw a push notification come down and it said Nike sneakers exclusive access. And I was like, what is this? I clicked on it. It took me to the metallic golds. I got it in my size, checked out. I was so nervous to try to get in there and just hurry up and get it that I was like basically like shaking and trying to get in there. So now the second time around, I was ready for it. I was ready to go. I was on the Twitter sphere, and you know, on Twitter they let you know, oh hey, people are getting exclusive access to this, to that, to that. So I would say to get a Twitter account if you don't have one, and follow some people like J23, you got Soul Links, and then you got Sneakers Twitter. You could follow all three of them or just one of them, but usually one of them or all three of them will tell you, hey, people are getting exclusive access to this. Make sure you're checking your phone. Make sure you're checking your phone. That's another thing I want to talk about. Okay, so if you have an iPhone, you are good to go when you get the exclusives. When you get the like sneakers or Nike and iPhone, they talk together real well. So if you have an Android, it doesn't talk to the sneakers app that well. So like they can't send you a push notification to let you know your team early. So some people, they'll log on to their desktop, and then on the desktop they're actually able to access that early pair. It happened a lot for the Street Hawker, the Dunks. A lot of people didn't get the notification, but when they logged into their desktop to their Nike sneakers account, then they were able to actually cop a pair for it. So if you guys are messing around with Android, make sure you guys check in the desktop. If you guys have iPhones, you guys are good. You do not have to check your desktop if you have an iPhone. So I did want to let you guys know about that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, it would help a lot if you guys give it a thumbs up. Hope you guys like all the exclusive access talk. If you have any questions, of course, comment box below. If you want some more sneaker news, sneaker shoe review, all that good stuff, make sure you subscribe, and I will check you guys out on the next video.